Well, hello, technical traders and technical investors. Welcome to the S2P market commentary for the market week ending Friday, January 18th, 2013. Market breadth. With this past week's market advance, our bull-bear point and figure ratio rose from 2.27 to 2.50. Moving farther into strongly bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns rose 2% to 2,347. The count of bearish stocks decreased 5%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns increased 5%. The S2P P&F Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 5 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Excel data from which the image is built. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting S2PMarketSignal.com and clicking on the Membership tab. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 79 points for the 8th rise in 17 weeks. At a positive 371.45 points, it remains above the November 2011 top, the July 2012 top, June 2010 bottom, the March 2011 bottom, the June 2011 bottom, the August 2011 bottom, the December 2011 bottom, the March 2012 bottom, and the November 2012 bottom, but below the November 2010 top, the January 2011 top, the November 2011 top, the February 2012 top, and the September 2012 top. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Russell 2000 ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, it had 3 accumulation days and 1 distribution day. Of the other indexes, the S&P 500 deposit receipts ended in accumulation mode, while the Diamonds Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Russell 2000 ended the week in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily began a Woody's uptrend 7 weeks ago. It has now dropped below plus 100, but at 76.93, it remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's downtrend 7 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 7 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly now has 3 weeks above zero, and at 79.44 is outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject signal. So we'll have to wait for one of those trades. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 and 2 of the bottom 5 industries are positive. Bullish semis continue in the top 5. Computer hardware has entered the top 5. Gold and silver remains in the bottom 5. Disk drives has left the bottom 5. Bearish oil services remains in the top 5. Banks and comp tech have entered the bottom 5. Focus this week is healthcare. We have a book recommendation for investing in the growing healthcare sector. Healthcare Investing, Profiting from the New World of Pharma, Biotech, and Healthcare Services. by Mr. Funtlater. Ranking among the world's largest markets, the $2.5 trillion healthcare industry is growing at an unprecedented rate. According to Miller Tabak and Company's healthcare strategist Lee Funtlater, major structural renovations to the system are imminent. Healthcare is entering an era of reform, Funtlater writes, and with reform comes change and the opportunity for investment gain. We genuinely hope that healthcare is changing into a system that is more about people and less about profits, although of course traders are always excited about profits. Use your conscience when you decide where to invest. This is a website that helps people learn how to care for their own health, and a huge number of illnesses are related to diet and lifestyle, which can be changed by the individual. So for your own health, we hope that you will be very aware and conscious of your lifestyle choices. We thank you for joining us for this week's market commentary, which is submitted by Donald L. Pearl Jr. We hope that you have a great day off tomorrow with Martin Luther King Day. And for this week, happy trading.